Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add like a glow outline on top of like a black and white video in CapCut PC. Copy and paste your video like so, and on this one you're just going to select adjustments and load the saturation. Then on this one you are going to add in a kind of like color. I'm just going to select this pink one, go to basic mode and go to I forgot, actually you need to add in the effect first. So go to the effects first right here, and you're going to go to video effects and you're going to select comic and you're going to add in this neon outline. Then after that you're going to go and add that color on top. Blend mode, linear burn. Once you're done, you're going to go to lens and you're going to add in an edge glow on top of that as well. You can adjust it here. Select these, right click, create compound clip. Then you're going to go to blend mode and you're going to select the screen or the brighten effect, and you're going to adjust the opacity as well. And that's pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!